So now what we're going to do is we're going to do files. And this is something interesting that I didn't really cover earlier. So hopefully you've got to this video. This is pretty fun. So the file resource is basically what it says is a file that you want to upload. So if you want, you can do this, and you can scroll to file, and you can add a file, and you can name it once it loads up, because it's now recording a whole bunch of stuff. And you can name it Smith Test, put in the thing, and then you get this add a file here like this. So we click on that. We want to choose a file. You can see my files here. So we'll just choose this PDF. Now remember this PDF, we click open, and we'll name it test 50 or something like that, and then upload the file. It's going to upload the file, recognize it's a PDF, so when you go to try to open it, if your browser supports it, it will. We've got all the common stuff here that we typically have, where you can say display, automatic show size, and all that kind of stuff. So once we go save and return to course, it shows up there, right? And it's in the file area, and that's it. Here's the cool part, is you should be able to do this, where remember, there's the PDF. I'm now just going to click on it and drag it in and put it right below. And so now those are the same PDF. If I want to rename that one, I can. But so you can click and drag files in really quickly. If you were on a desktop, you could make your window smaller and have your files there and just drag them in. You can drag multiple files in. I don't have that set up, but if you highlighted multiple, we'll give it a shot here. Let's say I do that one. There's a PDF, and there's a PDF, and I want to pull them in. I can just drag all three, and it says I can't do that one because it's too large, but it has the other ones. And this is a problem with our Moodle because it's set to only 2 megabytes, which I'm going to go find and change after doing this. You can also do folders, and this is coming up with a folder of things. So I'll just show you how to do a folder. You first have to compress it and make it a zip folder, like my zip folders have all disappeared. Here they are. Here's a zip folder. So we can take that zip folder, and this one's, I think, too big. Here's one. Here's a zip folder. If I just drag it in, it says unzip it. So now what it did is it made a folder, and all the files inside that folder are available in there. So you can drag and drop files in. You can drag and drop folders in. It's a really cool feature. And so if kids needed, if you needed to give them an article or something or whatever, you could give them whatever file you wanted, PowerPoint, PDF, Word, whatever it is, put it right there. And if you have a whole bunch that belong together that you want them to know they go together, you can put it in a folder. Okay, that's it. Pretty cool. You can drag and drop